Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnette and you are tuned into Cooking with Winn. Into this video, we will be swallowing pan butter and fufu. So I have a video on my channel showing you guys how to make the pan butter. So if you want to learn how to make the pan butter, check out that video, okay? But this is the pan butter and this is the fufu. We don't have much to say today. We're just going to be eating. And I'm just going to be letting you guys in on a few things and telling you guys about my other channel, okay? But first thing, you want to wash your hands. We already washed our hands with soap. We're just going to rinse it in the water right now. And I'm going to put my sleeves up. Prince and I let swallowing on me sometimes because she see I'm nasty in swallowing. Okay, so let's swallow. You'll eat, okay? So you get the fufu.
Mold it like this. You see that? You still get the fufu and swallow all. You go like this.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Like my video, check out my other videos on my channel, and share.
If you want to eat meat while you're swallowing, you go like this. See, you see the fish behind it. Go far with the fufu. The fish in your hand. Then go like that.
And also, guys, I have another YouTube channel. So if you want to know more about me, or if you want to see another side of me that has nothing to do with cooking, check out my other YouTube channel. It's called AllThingzWinnette. I'll leave the name in the description box, and I'm also going to leave the link in the description box. So go subscribe to my other channel and like my videos. So all you have to do is subscribe, like, and share. That's all I'm asking of you guys. I don't know if some of you can remember, but some part of last year I stopped making videos because, you know, I had a secret thing going on. So I'm about to share the news with you guys. So I'm like, the news I'm about to share, I'm not going to be sharing it on my cooking channel. I'm going to be sharing it on my other channel. So if you want to know what has been going on with me, or what happened that I stopped making video, go subscribe to my other channel, okay? I have a video coming up explaining and telling you guys what been happening to me, or why I stay away from making video.
What you been up to? Eating plenty.
But I can't wait to share with you guys because it's been a long secret and I've been like keeping it away from you guys.
And mostly talking about you, okay?
And most of you been wondering what happened to me, where I've been, but I'm about to tell you what happened, okay? So go subscribe to my other channel and like my videos. There's a song for it though. Pan butter red too sweet.
You want some more?
Ooh.
Is it too big?
Who cares?
You can go down.
Dry turkey, guys. I have a video as well. Check it out. Learn how to dry your turkey at home. I feel like if you do things at home, if you dry the turkey at home, it's way better than buying it from the store dry.
Because I guess it's
No. If you dry it at home, you get to do your own thing with it. Like, you play with it, you can do anything. When I was growing up, pan butter used to be my favorite soup. But now, I don't know. See, by the time they ask me, my mom or my auntie asked me, what soup you want to cook today? I said pan butter.
I think a slippery soup.
Then on holiday, I say jollof rice or check rice.
Back then when you cook open palava sauce, I want to sleep to your house.
You less slippery food, that's all when I get tea anymore. Now the old man is so you eating slippery food.
I didn't used to eat.
So like only soup.
I don't have to chew and all of that. And then still we put on the rice, you just
go.
go down.
No need for you to chew it, sir. And go smooth. Honestly, guys, we don't have anything specific to talk about today.
Just eating.
If you guys want to see more eating video, let me know in the comment section. And if you want us to talk about a specific topic, also let me know in the comment section, okay?
I'm always avoiding when I start to talk too much.
Don't tell me. I know.
So the reason we're not talking too much today because we're swallowing the fufu with palm butter. So palm butter is very oily. You don't want the oil to go in the wrong place while talking. Okay, guys?
You know when the oil go in your hair?
In your hair.
When the oil go in your hair, oh my gosh, it's horrible. So when eating oily food, keep quiet. Oily food and pepper food. And the two food you need to respect yourself when eating. Because when it enter your hair, I know like when palm butter go in your hair, you might have to eat dry bread. It can be bad.
It can be bad more than spicy food, sir. Like pepper soup. Because of the oil and then the pepper that on it also you be fighting.
It's like you want to cough, but then when you cough and then the oil
comes
it comes out and then it keep burning you. So like the best way to get rid of that, or it like you're not gonna get rid of it completely, but dry bread and dry rice, cooked rice. So dry.
You eat it?
Yeah, you mold the rice, and put it in your mouth and chew on it and swallow it. It help if oil go in your hair. Or if the oil go in the wrong place, but in like rose in your hair.
Because it hurt up here.
Yeah.
So in your hair.
And like here. In your hair or when it choke you. Tell me how they can make the palm butter in like the original palm butter. How the cream come about. In America, or if you are out of Liberia, we usually buy the palm butter in a can. That one is already been processed. Like all we have to do is just rinse it and then cook it. But in Liberia,
you gotta boil the palm.
it's like you're starting from scratch.
Like if you don't have the palm now, you gotta go to the farm or wherever.
To the market.
Get a palm, cook it, and then beat it in a mortar. How do you call mortar in America?
I don't know, mortar or mortar.
I think that's just a mortar, whatever.
Mortar or mortar.
Whatever
it is.
So you beat it in there, and then you put it in a bowl. Palm nut come from palm tree. You're gonna add water to it, then strain it. Get it in Liberia we say palm nut chat. You get a palm nut chat from out of it. I don't know how to call it here.
And the seeds.
And the seeds, because we already get it here. It's already prepared. So American people don't really know about that. So yeah, you do it like that. You strain it and put it on the stove. We don't even have stove.
When you beat the palm, you take the palm chop, or you say the palm churro. You take it out, you take the seeds, you throw it away. Or not throw it away. You remember, you keep the palm nuts.
You dry it to get a palm kernel out of it.
Yeah, the palm chop or the palm churro and the palm nuts. You can either throw it away or you can keep it. You dry the palm chop and the palm nuts. The palm nut you make palm kernel oil. When you talk about it,
no.
How you call it?
It's the seed that we're throwing away. The palm chop.
The palm chop, no, you don't throw it away.
Oh,
if you want to, you dry it to make fire.
To make fire. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah.
You dry it, you put it on the firewood, then you let it matches and put on it. Oh my God, it cuts good.
Yeah.
You can keep it and dry it and make a fire, or you can throw it away. And for the palm nuts, you can throw it away too, or you can keep it and dry it and beat and bust the palm nuts. You can either chew the palm nuts or you can make oil out of it, palm kernel oil.
Palm kernel oil.
Oh, when you eat our palm nuts.
It's also good. It's healthy.
The palm nuts look like little coconuts, baby coconuts, very like tiny. It's so good. They had the leaves. People used to eat it with.
Guava leaf.
guava leaf.
I know they eat it with guava leaf. But I don't know they have separate leaf there.
I think if I'm not mistaken, my friend used to eat it with some kind of leaf. I can't remember the leaf. I don't know how it looked like. But I remember them eating it with leaf. I used to eat my pumpkin like that. Pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin.
They call it pumpkin. We say pumpkin. Pumpkin, your head look like pumpkin. Your pumpkin head.
When they say your pumpkin head, I mean your head is very small. So don't lie, I don't want to tell you that, okay?
I mean, it's an insult, but it's also, you know, it's almost like a compliment. Your hair ain't too huge like mine. Because they tell your hair big like coconut.
So yeah, we have, you know, because in Liberia we got like 16 tribes. So every tribe have their specialty, and this palm butter belong to the tribe called Grebo people. So the way
they're from Maryland.
They're from Maryland. The way we Gio people cook
palm butter
is different from the way the Grebo people cook it. So
I know the same with the Pala people. I learned how to cook my palm butter different. I honestly learned, whoever taught me that I can put onion in my palm butter, but I was told that you can put onion in palm butter.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
So they cook it like, I have a mother-in-law from Maryland. She only cook her palm butter with palm butter leaf, and the palm butter, she doesn't let it get dry, like very thick. She leave it a little bit loose. So
they say if you want to swallow the fufu with the palm butter, you leave a little bit of water in it, like leave it a little watery.
Like for her, whether rice or fufu, she just cook it like that. She said that's how they cook it. Well, I don't know. I didn't used to like it anyway, because I grew up cooking my palm butter very thick.
They did almost see the video. She was saying, you been lying to her, say you love palm butter, but I was
nah, she ain't gonna
not
see
knowing
that.
Not like it. Somebody was showing to her one day. Ain't they? Wherever you are, they are former daughter-in-law or your daughter-in-law. She been lying, say she like your palm butter, not knowing she not like your palm butter. So you're doing it just to please you.
Because I grew up cooking it thick. My sister used to cook it very thick, and then let the palm butter brown a little bit to the bottom.
I just feel like I like my palm butter thick when I'm eating it with rice. And I like it a little watery when I'm swallowing it with fufu. But anyways, back to the palm butter discussion. How you made the palm butter. So you can throw the pumpkin away, or you can throw the pancha away. The pancho. You can throw either one of both of them away, or you can keep them. The pancha for the fire, the pumpkin for pumpkin oil, or to chew on it. But once you get rid of the pumpkin oil and the pancha, you sift your palm butter. You screen it.
Put on the stove, on the fire.
You can cook on the fire, or you can cook on the copper.
Yeah, on the coal wet.
You will suffer to let that fire.
To let that fire.
That's when the pancha comes in. Because you put the pancha on the coal and then light the fire.
You put pancha too?
I used to use it. I used to use the pancha on the coal and the firewood. Or you can use the kerosene on the coal. I used to try out. Anyone will go. Me, at old school. I kind of old school because I grew up with my grandparents, so I had to do everything the old school way. But yeah, guys, that's how you made it. That's how the real palm butter is made.
So, guys, another thing. When you're swallowing with palm butter, you get full quick. More than when you're swallowing palm butter with GB soup. Okay, sorry. When you're swallowing palm butter, when you're swallowing fufu with palm butter, you get full quicker than when you're swallowing fufu with GB soup, because basically I would say, yeah,
palm butter is heavier than GB soup.
That's what I think.
I wouldn't have thought. So yeah, from her opinion or from her experience, she feel like palm butter soup is heavier than GB soup. So if you're swallowing palm butter and fufu, you'll get full quicker than when you're swallowing GB soup and GB.
So yeah, if you from Liberia and you tried both before, fufu with palm butter and fufu with GB soup, comment below and let us know what you think.
Like from your experience, do you think that palm butter and fufu is heavier than GB soup and GB. Have you noticed it before? Or maybe if you haven't paid attention to that, or if you haven't noticed it, maybe you should try and see. And then let us know what you think. Which one make you full quicker? Pan butter and fufu or GB and GB soup? How about fufu soup, pepper soup and fufu?
I think pan butter.
Alright, then if it's GB and GB soup and GB or fufu and pepper soup, which one is heavier?
I think pan butter and fufu heavier.
But if pan butter wasn't there, it was just GB soup and GB or pepper soup and
I would say GB with GB soup.
Alright, so let's say we were using a real GB to swallow the GB soup and the fufu and the GB. Which one heavy?
The GB.
The real GB? Okay. So the real GB, in her opinion, the real Nimakana GB, the real Liberian GB. The one you can make fresh from the cassava farm. Not from the cassava farm, like from the fresh cassava. We'll be taking the food blender, but we can finish it. Y'all don't think we'll be bluffing to eat. We'll honestly be full.
Okay?
It's like we'll be keeping ourselves so hungry for the video, and then the moment we start to eat, now we get full. I don't know if it can happen to anybody. I feel like it's normal. If you keep yourself hungry all day, and if you start to eat, you get full quicker. I don't know if the gas or whatever it is.
I think it's the gas. And gas are taking part of your belly, so.
Yeah. So we're not ashamed to eat. I don't think we'll be ashamed or we'll be bluffing. No bluffing better when it comes to eating.
If I was bluffing, I was eating with spoon.
Right. And I won't be licking my hand at this.
Okay. When you finish, you wash your hand with soap, okay? Just know you just came from eating food that has spice in it. So yeah, wash your hand with soap.
Alright guys, so we are done eating for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse my hands. While you washing your hands, I'm washing my hand. We're gonna be rinsing our hands and then wash it later. Let me bash again. Excuse me.
Excuse me, excuse me, pan butter.
Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. We are done swallowing fufu and pan butter. I hope you guys enjoy us, or I hope you guys have fun watching us eat. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other channel, guys. Subscribe to my other channel. It's called AllThingzWinnette. Subscribe, share with your friends. Like, I have a lot of different content coming up. I'm so excited. I'm gonna make a lot of videos about different things except cooking. So this channel is all about cooking, and that channel gonna be my, my everything channel. If you want to see the other side of me that has nothing to do with cooking, go subscribe to my channel, follow me on the journey. And thank you guys for all the support last year and into this year. And I thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video. Hope you enjoy watching us eat. Hope you have fun. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment of what other video you would like to see.
Yes, which food you would like to see us eating with our
hands. Our spoon, God-given spoon.
Yes.
And what discussion you want us to have next.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you once again. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.